All right, so I'm here at Centennial and it's a little windy. I don't know if that's gonna fuck up the audio, but yeah, I'm gonna go see if Rum is down to record some shit real quick. So today's go skateboarding day, so I'm gonna go pick up my friend and we're gonna go down to Anthem Skate Park. I was gonna take the GoPro in there, record from where I'm sitting, and then see if I could catch any hijinks. Go skate day.
What up?
What up, what up, what up, Ryan? What up, Saeed? We all here.
Oh, he got the Yo Pro. Hey! Yeah, put him on. Damn, that is my long ass finger. Look at that. Whoever's got a grab.
All right, so I just picked up Rum. We're about to drive like 40 minutes to a skate park that only has 3 ramps. We never been there though, so it'll be a first for both of us, and maybe for you guys too, because I don't know if anybody in Vegas knows about this park. We found a cool little spot on the way to that skate park, so we're just gonna warm up right here instead. Cool little manual pad spot with a gap at the end. What you got?
No, hombre, pues. ¿Qué mamadas son estas?
We found a 2-stair. I think that counts.
I'll do one more.
I got it.
Okay. We had a cool little sesh right here, but I think I'm over it, and so is Rum. So we're gonna go find maybe the skate park.
Should I do it again?
Nah, that was perfect. Yeah, we did it. We got some bangers. Now I think we're gonna go to the skate park. Sheesh, we found it. It's over there. First impression? We're walking to the skate park, and the closer we get, the worse it looks.
Box isn't. Oh my god, that has to be the worst thing here.
We have 1 ramp, 1 ledge, 1 mani pad / ledge, the highest square rail. Look how high this thing is. Nah, this ramp's actually pretty sick, so let's see that kickflip to fakie, talking all that head. For some reason, this ramp has like 2 patches missing off of it, on this side and on the other side. And the ledge has 1 too. What the hell? I wonder why they needed to cut holes into these. And with that being said, we're out of here. I don't know what sucked more, us or the park, but honestly, this park's not that cool. This though would be pretty nice to have at the house. We're gonna go back to our side of town because this is definitely not Las Vegas no more. Now we're gonna go to 7-Eleven or something. Little Steezers. Show those guys AIDS. All right, what's good, everybody? We're here at this infamous ledge spot in Las Vegas. The wavy ledges. It's like 11 a.m. It's hella bright. Rum got a sweater on and it's like 100 degrees out. Sheesh, haven't even started skating and we're already sweating. This guy just lost his board. It went down into the LV River. Dang. It's way down there. It doesn't look that steep right here on camera.
Damn.
But he's gonna have a hard time going down and coming up. All right, I'll come with you. We just walked from up there, down these rocks, all the way to this trail right here. There's a big ass fish. Look. Whoa. That's a big boy. Whoa, another big boy. Whoa, an orange one. What? I guess we found out what happens when you flush your fish down the toilet. They come here. On the quest to recover the lost skateboard. Damn, from right here it looks crazy steep. So we came to a spot. It's called it's a park called Arroyo Grande. Has a nice nines there, but all I did was fuck up my board. So yep, fucking bullshit session. Had the homie Rum standing there with a hoodie on and fucking 110-degree weather, and yep, all I did was fuck up my board.